Good morning. May I know your names?
Myself Karthik. I am from IT branch.
My name is Veena and IT branch.
I'm Reshma Shivalli from IT branch.
I'm Smita Kulkarni from CS branch.
Okay. I want one of you all to explain to me what is the idea, what is your objective, and why did you people come up with this project?
So one of our teammates is a resident of Mantur. So there we observed that the farmers were not getting good yield. Her uncle itself, he did not get even the capital money he had invested. So we thought that we should help them. Then we created these questionnaires and we asked them which farming method you're using and how much you're using. We found out that many of them were using chemical fertilizers and pesticides. They didn't even know their names. They just went on using it in excess. So we thought of telling them organic farming. Then we took soil sample of 3 farms in Mantur and gave it to Agriculture College. They gave us a report which showed that the fertility is very low. Then we went to AME, which gave us books. It is a foundation in Dharwad, which gave us books, even a CD, and also helped us in preparing these innovative models to teach them. Then we conducted a program in Mantur on one day, and we also invited a professor from Agriculture College to come and talk with the farmers. He also answered their questions, and we prepared these models and explained them. This is a model for FIM. Here, if they use these biofertilizers, which are available just at 10 rupees in subsidy, this FIM will be ready in 15 days. If they carry out their procedure, it will be ready in 1 year. So this is efficient way. And this is a model for vermicomposting. It is also it will be ready in 2.5 months. They are layer by layer. They have to fill the organic waste and insert the earthworms. They'll eat all the organic waste, and their excreta itself is the manure. And then they'll fill it here, and then the earthworms will move. Where the moisture is maintained, the earthworms will move so that they can collect the manure. And at the end of the program, we distributed these pamphlets, which were created by us. We told them that if for further details, they can contact Agriculture College or AME Foundation, which is in Dharwad. The feedback of the farmers was very positive. They liked the idea, and even they have put a board in the village telling the names of these fertilizers and the cost, and they have suggested them to use it. And even some of them have agreed that they're going to do this.
So your main objective was create awareness among the farmers what are the best fertilizers they can use for the best yield.
Yes. And we also told them the ill effects of chemical farming and fertilizers using these things.
I think that's a wonderful idea and great project. Thank you.